Yes, pulling the fire alarm, and no, Tom, the 123,456,789,000th.
No, pulling the fire alarm, and yes, Tom, the 1,234,567,890th. Pulling the fire alarm is a serious offense that can lead to fines, criminal charges, and even sent to prison, as well as wasting valuable resources and potentially endangering lives. And Tom, the 1,234,567,890th is an awesome character in From Talking Tom and Friends shows, and other Tom the characters.
That's it. You're extremely grounded for a week for saying that.
Go to your room right now.
Va.